This is a fit for a 2005 through 2016 Land Rover LR4 and LR3 with factory installed short tracks. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack, Vortex, RLT600 base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex load bars in black, 54 inches in length, the RLT600 legs, which include locks and track bases. The QM-FK11 kit is required to connect into the factory tracks. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 35.5 inches. That measurement can be changed variably along the length of the tracks. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.